Alright, so we have another unboxing video. This is just going to be a short, quick video. I bought 3 used ZIPPOS on Macari. They cost me, it was like 20 bucks for all 3 of them, and I bought them simply because I want to, I really want to experiment on them and see what I can do, whether it's carving them, painting it, whatever. I don't know what I'm going to do with them just yet, but I wanted to have them on hand because most of what I have on hand in my overstock, of ZIPPOS I don't really care about are chrome plated. And aside from pulling the chrome off and sanding the chrome off, there's not a whole lot you can do with them. There's some stuff, but not stuff that I really want to take the time to do. And these here were, they're matte finish mostly, so that comes off really, really easily. And once that comes off, then your options are opened up to you. They become brass after that. Everyone knows that. So let's just take a look and see what these are all about. How's this box open? This box opens from the front. Ooh. That's paper. Yep, there's 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let's take a look at the first one. We have Sugar Skull, a little bit dirty. Looks like 2016. We open her up. The insert's clean. Yeah, this one didn't get a lot of use. So, that's a nice one to start with. And let's see, Orange Matte 2014. Oh my god, this focus. There we go. Open that one up. This one also, the wick's burned, but it's not that dirty inside the chimney. So everything fits tight. Nice one to do. What? What? Look at that. Oh. Hold on. Come on. Stop falling on me. What do we have here? There we go. 2017 Zippo brass armor. And when I bought this, he said nothing about this being an armor Zippo. His, with the brass insert, his ad for it just said pretty much 3 old ZIPPOS, 1 orange, 1 Sugar Skull, 1 brass. I did not expect to be getting an armor case. This one, I think this one's going to become my everyday carry. That is just cool as hell. Sweet. Not bad for 20 bucks delivered, right? Well, till next time.